Alright, okay. I'm going back to Manila again for the course creation workshop. I can't wait. Let's do this! So, I'm here in Hong Kong and still waiting for my flight. So, I have to wait more or less mga 3 hours pa. This is the hardest part. Doing workshop and live events in Philippines. Now, just a quick tip for you guys. Like moments like this, wear something na talagang you're really comfortable whenever you travel. And of course, make sure na wala kang downtime. Yung tinatawag kong EDSA time. So, bring books, audiobooks, bring headsets and all para konti-konti yung education natin, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna find a place to eat. So medyo nagugutom na ako. Talk to you guys later. Alright, time check, it's 6:43 a.m. The workshop will start at 8 o'clock. So I just finished yung aking slides. I revised some more and added more details. I can't wait. And the registration will start at 7 o'clock. So in about, 15 minutes or so, I'm gonna leave the house as well. And yeah, I can't wait. I'm so excited! We are now on our way to the venue itself. Can't wait. It's about 18 minutes drive. So Saturday naman. Boss, wala naman traffic, ano? Wala namang traffic, hopefully. So we'll find out. We are here, boys. Let's see. So like 15 minutes. Ang ating magagandang Negosyo University. Ayan. Sige tayo. Hi Joy, kumusta? Okay guys, this is my video guy, si Shoden. So if you want more leads and customers for your business, Google nyo lang to, search nyo lang to.
Dennis Abad or Shoden.
Dennis Abad.
Shoden. Yan.
Iyon. Alright, there you go guys. We're gonna start in about a few minutes. Here are the people right there. Woo! Exciting times. Let's go! We are now in the middle of the workshop. Look at those people working on it, seriously building their businesses. Isn't that amazing? Amazing opportunity for anyone who will take action. What's up? So we just finished yung morning session. We are now going to afternoon session. All the attendees are having a good lunch. Gonna show you guys. It's tiring, but it was fun. So they're learning a lot of things, and most importantly, they are accomplishing many things. O, kaway-kaway dyan, malalakas kumain, no? There you go, hello. Okay, so there you go. So, gonna have lunch, and then after this will be the afternoon module. So, we will be more specific. So, normally, yung first module, we are talking about the mindset and psychology to succeed in this business, because ultimately, in business, there will always be challenges that you will be facing. So if you are not ready, you are not equipped, you don't know what to do once you face it, mag-easy lang mag-give up. So that's something that you work on in the first module, and then yun nga. This afternoon, I'm gonna go more specific. So, hey guys, this is Jon Orana from Negosyo University, and we are now here sa ating course creation workshop. Ito yung mga milyonaryo natin sa likod. Say hi guys! Ito ba sa gitna? Say hi! Hi! Wee! Hi! Ito pagod. So, my workshop yesterday was so great. As usual, it was full packed. And I'm just gonna give you guys what it feels like once you are inside a workshop, because for the most part, I always been training people over the web via webinar and online. And in the last year or so, I've been doing now live workshop in the Philippines. There are advantages and disadvantages of having a face-to-face workshop. Of course, the disadvantage is many people can't join you because let's just say they're in different part of the country or in different part of the world, so gusto man nila but they cannot fly or they cannot come, or meron silang mga commitment on the day of the workshop. That's one of the biggest, I would say, disadvantage of the workshop. Now, on the other hand, if you want to get like quick results in your business, in what you do, workshop will be the best place to go. Why? Because number one, you really set the time, your mind, your body to be on that room. So, having said that, you can really focus on your business like pretty much the whole day. At the same time, sa workshop, nandun po ako as I lead the workshop. I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do step by step. So, these are some of the things that you need to learn. These are some of the things that you need to do. Another thing sa workshop natin is we have this collaboration with other people. So we will ask you maybe to share your insight, what you have learned, what you have accomplished, and then of course, you can ask questions and get feedback instantly from the workshop. Kaya po, very powerful. So normally what I do before the workshop starts, I ask them, sino na po rito yung meron say great course or who made money online. And then makita mo dyan, only few hands will raise. But at the end of the workshop, you ask them, okay, what you have accomplished, who now has a course, who has now at least an outline for his course or online program or ebook. You will see that a lot of people are now gonna raise their hands. So that's how powerful the workshop is. And again, I hope that you guys can join me in my future workshop. Just do not forget to click the subscribe button below on YouTube, or click like and share if you're watching this or on Facebook. And of course, do not forget to go to negosyouniversity.com and subscribe. And that's it for today. And again, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.